1943. Wow, what a year. The U.S. Mint was still cranking out some very nice Mercury dimes, which were made out of silver. In addition, the 1943 steel wheat penny was produced. That was made because the U.S. was involved in World War II, and they needed to use the extra copper toward that in the bullet casings and not the coins. Also in 1943, the 90% silver quarter was still being produced. And that's what this video is going to be about. The silver quarter, which is 90% silver, was made from 32 up until 64. So this was kind of about halfway through that. Now in 1943, the silver quarter is definitely rare and definitely worth more than face value. There were 99.7 million produced at the Philadelphia Mint and 16 million produced at the Denver Mint and 21.7 million produced at the old San Francisco Mint. So, what mint is this quarter from? Any guesses? Let's flip it over and find out. The Philadelphia Mint. So, if there is no mint marker right there in that space, that means that is from the Philadelphia Mint. Now this quarter happens to be pretty worn out, so it's going to be worth less to coin collectors, but it's still going to be worth a decent amount just based on the fact that it does have 90% silver. So here's an example of another quarter from that same era that I have, and you can see the lettering along the rim is a lot less faded. However, on this one, the lettering going along the outside is definitely worn out, so that's going to decrease the value of the coin a little bit. But the coin will still maintain its value based solely on the fact that it does have silver, and silver has gone up in value. And it is a precious metal that people like to collect and hang on to. So also going on in 1943, you've probably know this because I mentioned it when describing the steel penny, but World War II was going on. World War II still had another 2 years left in it. We were about halfway through World War II, which the U.S. involvement started in 1941 and ended in 1945. So I'll sign off now. Have a good one, everyone, and thanks for watching the video. Take care.